In this video, we are going to break the world record of creating a $10,000 website in just 24 hours, and you'll be with me on all the progress. So let's see what we can create exactly in just 24 hours. So let's go to see the video. As I said, our goal is to create a complete website in 24 hours. The project is wild and time is limited, so there is no time for mistakes. I started thinking about the title and category of the website, and finally, after searching and thinking about them, I made this list of options. And then I asked AI to choose one of these randomly. And the answer was a structured material dealer site. So I started designing and thinking about different sections of the website. To create a website on this size, you need to think about all sections that are needable and can have a stylish design with even challenging levels. So until finishing the complete design and UI structure for 3 hours, everything is clear for coding. So I started the coding for the first sections. I've implemented the design structure, and after 2 hours, it's how it's look. So after 2 hours, these are the sections we implement. We create an navbar section that has some tags that by clicking on each of them, it will go to that specific section. Also, we have the hero section that I give it an effect that when you move your cursor, the background will move on the opposite direction of cursor and make it a little bit fun. And also, this is the collection section, which we have some specific materials for structure building and these things. And yeah, these are the sections we just implement till here. Then I started the next sections for 3 hours, but this time I tried make every section with creativity. Even it's just a beta style, and as I said in the intro, after creating the beta structure, we'll go to create the main design. But I still wanted to make these sections with more creativity to have a better project at the end. So after these sections, we implement the next section, our odds, material honestly, timeless forms, and human touch. And as you know, the images are beta. Also, the global art scene network that shows our offices in different countries. Also, I just create this kind of text to don't forget to make them stylish on the main project. Also, we have the live activity that shows the people that are buying, which is completely fake. I just created with a robot that I've created with JavaScript. Then we have our environmental impact section, which has some its own information. After that, for the last section, we have the behind the craft. And if you enjoyed till here, please like the video. For the last sections, because we're creating a web page for a company that has several offices around the world, we need sections that shows their tasks, social media, and about. So with this point of view, I've created the last section's beta style for 1 hour, then I went for lunch for 30 minutes, and then I worked for almost 2 hours, and this is the final result for beta web page version. So after 9 hours working on the project, we've created the design of the website, we think about all sections, we also implement the beta structure of main page in the first 8 or 9 hours. Also, this is a quick view of the sections we implement till here, and the new sections from our materials like solid brass, North American oak, and hand blown glass. Also our process, which I don't have any energy to read it. Also we have bespoke commissions, then a client by these industries as featured in the images we don't have. Also, one of the hardest sections, find the best gift. We can start over here. Who is the gift for example, without my friend, and for example my budget is under 500. A modern style please, and it gives these images of, for example, lumen glass vase and aura incense burner. And also we have the subscription circle, the collector circle, that we have different models of it, and the idea of our social media community. Then we have the frequently asked questions, and finally the footer of the website. I just going to get some rest for about 30 minutes because my eyes are barely seeing and my brain doesn't work very well, so I need to get some rest, and after 45 minutes I'll come back and work on the structure and designing for the primary main page. So let's go on. So after a quick nap for around 30 minutes, I started the main project. I have everything in my mind and I know what should I do. So I'm going to show the final result of the website all together when everything is done. Each section after another have completed, and after 8 hours working on the project, it's 80% finished on 4 a.m. Then I slept on the desk. Like, I really slept on the desk. So the challenge was going to fail because I didn't have any energy to continue.
تا صبح اینجا خوابیدی؟ بلند شو دانشگاه دیر میشه. پاشو. نگاه کن نرفته رو تخت. پاشو به سرم. بی صبحونتو بخور. آماده کردم.
Until my mom woke me up for breakfast at 7 a.m. Thanks, Mom. Because I had a class at 8:30 on university. So without any time killing, I continued coding for another hour. Then I went for breakfast and now I'm recording this. So it's 8 a.m. and after 23 hours working on the project is finally freaking finished. I'm so happy. And I just need to show you the page quickly because I may be late for the class. And you can obviously see from the both website I'm showing you on the screen how much progress we had from the beta version to the main version, and everything is more cool and stylish. Also we have add to cart button. We can add, for example, collections, materials, we can buy them, but we cannot exactly because it's just a design for the website. Also our process is so freaking good now. I'm just so happy to finally finish it. Our us, as you can see on the page, but how much better is it right now behind the craft. It's linked to a video on YouTube, which is not that important. Our materials, cards are more beautiful. Also this section, our environmental impact, a client by the industry as featured in live activity, find industry, find the project gift, start over, friend, for example 500 to 1500, and it will show us the best and perfect gifts we can buy, and just tell a number from 1 to 10 to rate to this website. Although it just takes 24 hours, but honestly I have headache right now and I don't know how should I go to university and stay there till 5 p.m. I don't know that, but for you that watch till here, I tried to create the best thing I could. I just need to check the world record that can we break it or not, or we may already break it. I don't know it. I should search and check it. And also we've create this project with all these files, about 7,000 lines of code, and I think I'm going to be late for the class. I'll record the outro on the way.